Hello and welcome to the Black Mesa Hazard course, where you'll be trained in the use of the hazardous environment suit. You'll have to hit every target in order to complete the course. But if you miss the first time, don't worry. It will come around again. Reload during pauses rather than waiting to run out of ammunition at a critical time. Great. Remember your flashlight drains power, so switch it off when you don't need it.
Will we ever make it out of here? Is anyone else getting hungry? I can't take much more of this. It can't get any worse than this. I really don't know. I've got to get out of here.
That'll look nice in my trophy room.
Do you smell what I smell? This analysis is going to run perfectly today, don't you think? Positively. Do you know who ate all the donuts? Sorry, I'm leaving now. I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Don't you find this all rather fascinating?
You aren't scared, are you? Didn't you already ask me that?
Don't make me do this.
Hey, what did I ever do to you?
Hey, catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Do you have any idea what's going on? You talk too much. Yeah, let's go. I have a bad feeling about this. You think there's a cold beer for us at the end of all this?